Q8185. When making a rearward weight and balance check to determine that the CG will not exceed the rearward limit during extreme conditions, the items of useful load, which should be computed at their minimum weights, are those located forward of the A. Forward CG limit, B. Datum, C. Rearward CG limit. The correct answer is C. Use the maximum weight when performing a rearward weight and balance check to ensure that the loaded CG cannot deviate from the rearward CG limit. Of all useful load items whose CG is behind the rear threshold, and the minimum weight for all things whose CG is in front of the rearward CG threshold. 8185-1. When or under what conditions are adverse loading checks conducted? A. At or below the maximum gross weight of the aircraft. B. Anytime a repair or alteration causes EWCG to fall outside the CG range. C. At specified flight hour or calendar time intervals. The correct answer is B. Adverse loading checks are conducted when there is a repair or alteration that causes the EWCG to fall outside the CG range. 8185-2. When accomplishing loading computations for a small aircraft, necessary information obtained from the weight and balance records would include A. Unusable fuel weight and distance from datum. B. Weight and location of permanent ballast. C. Current empty weight and empty weight CG. The correct answer is C. Current empty weight and empty weight CG. The empty weight of an aircraft refers to its weight without any occupants, fuel, or cargo. It is a fundamental parameter needed for loading computations. The empty weight CG, center of gravity, provides the reference point for calculating the aircraft's balance. By knowing the empty weight and empty weight CG, you can determine the position and weight of various items, passengers, baggage, fuel, to ensure the aircraft remains within its weight and balance limitations. Therefore, the necessary information obtained from the weight and balance records for loading computations in a small aircraft is the current empty weight and empty weight CG. 8186. When an empty aircraft is weighed, the combined net weight at the main gears is 3,540 pounds with an arm of 195.5 inches. At the nose gear, the net weight is 2,322 pounds with an arm of 83.5 inches. The datum line is forward of the nose of the aircraft. What is the empty weight CG of the aircraft? A. 151.1. B. 155.2. C. 146.5. The correct answer is A. To calculate the empty weight CG of the aircraft, we need to first find the moment at the main gears and the nose gear. For the main gears, the moment is calculated by multiplying the weight, 3,540 pounds, by the arm, 195.5 inches, giving a moment of 692,670 inch-pounds. For the nose gear, the moment is calculated by multiplying the weight, 2,322 pounds, by the arm, 83.5 inches, giving a moment of 193,737 inch-pounds. To find the empty weight CG, we need to divide the total moment by the total weight. The total moment is the sum of the moments at the main gears and the nose gear, which is 692,670 plus 193,737 equals 886,407 inch-pounds. The total weight is the sum of the weights at the main gears and the nose gear, which is 3,540 plus 2,322 equals 5,862 pounds. Therefore, the empty weight CG of the aircraft is 886,407 divided by 5,862 equals 151.1 inches from the datum line. 8187. An aircraft with an empty weight of 1,500 pounds and an empty weight CG of plus 28.4 was altered as follows. 1. Two 12-pound seats located at plus 68.5 were removed. 2. Structural modifications weighing plus 28 pounds were made, AL plus 73. 3. A seat and safety belt weighing 30 pounds were installed at plus 70.5. And 4. Radio equipment weighing 25 pounds was installed at plus 85. What is the new empty weight CG? A. Plus 23.51. B. Plus 31.35. C. Plus 30.30. The correct answer is B. Item weight: aircraft 1,500. Seats: remove 24. Modification 28. Seat 30. Radio 25. Total 1,559. Weight arm moment 3,540. 195.5 692,070. 2,322 83.5 193,887. 5,862 151.14 885,957. Arm moment 28.4 42,600. H 65.51 644 73. 2,044 70.5 2,115. 85 2,125. 30.30 47,240. This aircraft's empty weight is 1,559 pounds, and its empty weight center of gravity is at fuselage station 30.30.